in the alphabet is the K letter, okay? K, that is the name of the letter, okay? Capital K, lowercase k. But the sound it makes in words is the K sound. Everybody say K. Well done. Make sure you're saying these sounds and words with me at home so you can practice. Okay, so our first word with the K sound in it is king. Okay, king. King. Okay, king. Okay, the king had a crown. Could be a sentence there. King. We've got that digraph at the end of the word here. King. Okay, so we know that it has 4 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 letters, and we know it has 3 sounds. King. Okay. Okay, going on to our next word, which is kitten. Okay, kitten. 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 Okay, kitten. Okay, so the 2 t letters just make 1 t sound. Kitten. You could say the kitten is small, or the kitten has a orange stripe. Okay, kitten, super. Okay, going on to our last word with this sound is kitchen. Okay, kitchen. Kitchen. Okay, kitchen. I'm going to the kitchen to make food. Okay, kitchen. Okay, we have a trigraph in the middle, the t and sounds making the ch sound. Okay, kitchen. Okay, so let's go over these sounds and words all again together. Say it with me at home. King. King. Kitten. Kitten. Okay, kitchen. Kitchen. Okay, so watching today, please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.